Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to set a perfect profile on LinkedIn. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you want to update your current LinkedIn profile? LinkedIn is a networking site that is made for professionals. As you create your profile on LinkedIn, you are showcasing your professional resume to millions of companies or clients who are looking to hire the service that you are offering. Your LinkedIn profile can showcase who you are, what you do, and what you have accomplished. It also shows your profile, knowledge and skills, sample portfolio, and your connections. Your profile can be discovered by employers who are using the platform to search for potential candidates for a specific job that they need for their company. Updating your LinkedIn profile can help you meet the right people and find the best opportunities online. To create a perfect LinkedIn profile, you should determine its purpose. If it's to find a job, you have to craft your profile that is designed to attract employers. Or if you're offering services as a freelancer, you should craft it to showcase the different services that your potential client will be looking for. Profile photo. Your profile photo is the first section that anyone on LinkedIn will see. You want to dress appropriately. Wear something that portrays your job and use simple backgrounds. It should show about 60% or more of your face. Choose a professional-looking photo and make sure that the image is not blurred or pixelated. The second is your background photo. If you have the right background photo, it would attract the attention of your viewers. Your background photo would stand out from all the profiles. You may include your slogan, what you do, your social media accounts, or your email address where they can contact you. Next, headline. A great headline helps your profile be discovered easily. You have to make a catchy headline. On your headline, include the job titles that are relevant to the job position that you are seeking to apply for. Be creative in adding a few sentences describing what you can offer to employers or your clients. You can even add relevant hashtags that can help employers or clients discover your profile. If you have a sample portfolio, you can add it as a link below or include it in the featured section. Next, summary. You must have a LinkedIn summary to tell people about your story. Take note that you don't have to use up all the 2,000 characters for the summary. You can tell a story about the task that you do in your job and how it helps other people. You can even include all your expertise or specialties in this section. Next, include services. You can boost your visibility in searches if you fill this section with a list of services that you are an expert of. It shows at the top of your profile, so it's easier to show your potential clients what you can offer them. Next, skills and endorsements. You can include up to 50 skills on your profile. Skills and endorsements can help you stand out from other candidates. While skills allow your profile to be searchable, endorsements are your social proof where people vouch for your abilities. Example skills that can attract endorsements are keyword research, Amazon SEO, social media marketing, brand marketing, or even market analysis. Each skill can be endorsed by multiple people, and view all the people who vouched for this person. You can even view the profile of the person who vouched for them. Just remember, when updating your LinkedIn profile, you have to stay away from adjectives that are used so often that it has been overused. Examples of these terms are creative, innovative, expert, or experienced. As these terms have been already overused, they might not convince people of your qualities. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need help to make courses and training, we have a marketing app that can help you create your own online courses that actually get sales. Create amazing courses with Udemy grade customer experience. It includes profit and conversion boosting plugins. It integrates a popular payment system. It even supports video courses on any platform. It has a rich interaction with built-in comments, reviews, and questions. Create awesome courses. It would be easy for you to set up, and your students will love the user-friendly experience. Access dozens of ready-made templates for everything. Customize your course themes to make it feel unique with your branding. Students can resume course playback where they left it. So try CourseFunnels now. Go to the URL getcoursefunnels.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.